Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your blink floodlight camera is working but the floodlight itself is not turning on, this video is going to show you the exact fixes that you can try. So first of all, in many cases the light is disabled in the settings. So you can just simply open your blink application, then inside it simply go to camera. In the camera, you need to simply check the floodlight settings. Just make sure that the motion detection is enabled and the floodlight trigger is turned on. Also, you need to check the brightness level and the motion sensitivity. If sensitivity is too low, the light may never activate. Now, the floodlight depends on the motion detection as well. So you can test by walking in front of the camera. If motion is not detected, that means the light will not turn on. So in this case, you can adjust the detection zones and the sensitivity in the application. Also make sure that the camera has a clear view with no obstructions. Now, blink floodlights require strong battery power to activate the lights. So if batteries are low or weak, the camera may work, but the floodlight won't turn on. So you can try replacing the batteries with fresh lithium batteries and avoid using any regular alkaline batteries as they may not provide enough power. Now, if your floodlight is wired, you can just simply check the power connection. The loose wiring or the low voltage can also stop the light from working. In the cold weathers, battery performance also drops significantly. This can prevent the floodlight from turning on even if everything else is fine. So if possible, you can test the camera in normal temperature conditions and you can use the recommended batteries. If settings and the powers are fine, you can just do a quick reset. For that, you need to find this reset button underneath your device. Here, after pressing the reset button, you just have to wait for some time until it restarts or until restarts the sync module. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.